Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm so excited to be here because, it's just every day you don't meet somebody like you. You've got literally the sheen in you. You got
Oh
that
my
shine and sparkle. So I'm really happy to exchange this energy.
That's so sweet. Honestly, when I was doing my homework for this podcast and I was watching all of your reels, I was like, your energy is contagious. It's very rare to come across people who are bubbly and happy all the time. And I'm really happy that you're actually like this in person as well. So very excited for this conversation. So tell us a little bit about your journey.
Oh, well, where do we start?
It started with medicine, right? Should we go
Okay.
there?
So why did I want to be a doctor?
Yes.
Somehow, because my family, we have a family of 36 doctors at the moment, so
I like how you said at the moment. Like there's more to
because
come.
this is ongoing, right? So when you have so many healers in your family and coming from the Indian diaspora, you choose things which put you at a certain level.
Thank you.